Do you feel frayed, like your nerves are sparks caught on the wind? Let this be the moment you return to stillness. The fire crackles gently, casting golden halos into the night. Warm summer air hums with cicadas and peace. Breathe in the heat of the embers. Exhale with the hush of distant owls. Your reset begins now. Welcome to this sacred moment beneath the stars. The fire glows steadily before you, warming your skin, softening your breath. The sky above is an endless canvas of midnight blue, scattered with ancient constellations. Cicadas hum in the trees beyond, the rhythm of summer surrounding you. You are safe here, held in warmth, cradled by the night. Let this space be your sanctuary. Tonight we step gently into the healing currents of your nervous system. Whether you feel overextended, anxious, or simply tired to the bone, this practice will guide your body and mind into deep restoration. You don't need to do anything now. Just be and receive. Find a comfortable position, either lying on your back or seated with support. Let your body be held completely, allowing gravity to embrace you. Feel the earth beneath you, solid, dependable, and deeply alive. Your breath begins to slow. Your awareness begins to settle. Let each breath be a stepping stone into stillness. You are safe. You are welcome. You are home here. As the fire crackles nearby, know that this sacred pause is your medicine tonight. Bring your awareness now to the soles of your feet. Feel warmth gathering there, as if kissed by firelight. Allow that warmth to rise up through your ankles, your calves, and knees. Let go of any tension in your thighs, hips, and pelvis. Sink deeper as your lower body becomes heavy, calm, and soothed. Now soften your belly, your lower back. Feel the breath move through your abdomen like a soft tide. Release the ribs, the chest, the heart space. Let each breath melt away the static held within. You are beginning to unwind from the inside out. Feel your shoulders drop, tension dissolving like smoke into the night sky. Your arms grow heavy, forearms soft, palms open and warm. Let your neck and jaw release, the tongue resting gently, the eyes softening. Bring awareness to the space between your eyebrows. Allow that space to widen, like a night sky opening. The mind begins to quiet. The body is no longer holding. It is simply being, simply resting. Now imagine the fire before you glowing brighter with every breath. Its flames are gentle, golden, alive, but unthreatening. With every inhale, draw in the warmth of this sacred flame. With every exhale, release the charge your nervous system no longer needs. Let it go. Like sparks rising into the night, the fire receives it all, without judgment, without effort. Feel a rhythm in your body, a pulsing, a returning. Your breath flows like wind through the trees, calm, effortless. Your heart finds a steadier beat, the pace of safety. Now visualize a current of light traveling along your spine from the base, slowly rising like warm smoke from the embers. This light soothes every nerve it touches, cleansing, calming, restoring balance in every fiber of your being. Feel it pass through the back of the heart, softening emotional armor. Feel it reach your throat, quieting anxious thoughts. Let it bathe your mind, cooling the heat of stress and noise. Every system in your body is coming home, home to rest, home to regulation. And now, simply rest here, bathed in firelight, surrounded by peace. each breath a signal to your body. You are safe. You can let go. Inhale and feel the body soften. Exhale and release what no longer serves you. You are not broken. You are recalibrating, returning to a rhythm that is ancient, wise, and whole. Rest in this place a little longer. Let the nervous system reorganize, harmonize. You are whole and healing. Begin to bring awareness back to your body, gently, slowly. Feel the air on your skin again, the warmth of the fire still nearby. Listen for the soft song of the night, crickets, wind in leaves, a distant owl. Let your fingers and toes begin to move, gently awakening. The nervous system has been reset, the body restored. You are re-entering the world with balance and clarity. If your eyes are closed, allow them to open when you're ready. Take a deeper breath in and a long, sighing exhale. Return to your space slowly, with reverence for what has shifted. Your nervous system thanks you. Your spirit thanks you. And the fire, still crackling gently, reminds you you can return to this place anytime.